And if you know me, I don't like surprises. I want to know. I want to know right now. Right now. Not later. Now. What did you get me? Of course I know what this is. This is Louis Vuitton. And this is from Tyke and Tykema. My children. They gave me like a money roll too as well. And then I have this little Louis Vuitton gift. This is so cute. Look at this box. Look at the package. It's so cute. I'm not going to look at the receipts because then it'd be a dead giveaway. But this is a cute little, I don't know. It's super cute though. Oh my birthday. I see the receipts in here. But let's get this open. This is a surprise gift from Louis Vuitton. Let's get it open. I don't know what it could be. It's too small to be a wallet. Or maybe some earrings so they know I've been switching all my white gold to yellow gold. Yeah. Let's see. Aww. Look. It's a little bracelet. I was looking at these too. Thank you, Tyke and Tykema. This is so cute. How do I do it? I don't even know how to. I don't know how to open it. Okay guys, I don't know, but this is super cute. Look how tiny it is. I hope I can fit it. I know my wrist is tiny, but jeez. I don't even know how to open it. Like, really? Oh, there you go. Slide it. I'm not gonna be able to put this on myself. This is too cute. I said I had wanted one of these before. Okay. I'll get it. There we go. Oh, and it fits. How cute. Look, guys. I have to look this up and get all the details, and I'll put it in the description below. But this is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Tyke and Tykema. Mommy loves it. Alright, let's get to the next gift. Would not tell me what's in this box. And it doesn't say. I can't even really guess. It doesn't say. But my name is on it and his name is on it. So let's see what it is. It better not be nothing to scare me like he did last on my birthday. I'm so excited, y'all. What is it? I can't get it open. More Louis Vuitton. This is so cute. You cannot tell it's Louis Vuitton from the outside. What is this? This is the receipt, I guess, and a card holder. I mean, it must be the receipt in here. I'm not going to open the receipt. This is so little. What is that, scarf? That's heavy. What is it? Must be a freak. Nah, guys, this, I know what this is now. Look, this, the multi-pochette. I know, babe. I've been trying to get this forever. Look. Look how cute this is. So that's 2 pieces. I just was in New York trying to get this and it was sold out. Throw the strap. And it is the khaki color. With the khaki color strap, y'all. This is so cute and a surprise, but every time I went online it said it was sold out. Oh, I cannot believe they got me this. Y'all, I know this is such a popular bag and I've been wanting this bag. And every time I went online to order it, it was sold out. I don't even know how to put it together. I was not prepared for this. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, y'all. Wow, this is so cute. Oh, thank you, babe. And I guess it goes like this somehow. I don't know if I'm supposed to take the chain off. I'll figure it out. But I love it. Yes, I'm gonna make this strap a little bit longer. There we go. Super, super cute. Oh my goodness. I finally got my multi-pochette. Oh, what a great surprise. Thanks, babe. All right. I think I have one more surprise gift. And then I have another gift that I picked up myself. Well, look, isn't she so cute? All right, so put that over here, and let's see when he ordered this. Here's the receipt. Oh, I don't have the date or anything. This is just like a return label. Just how you exchange or return information. He must have told him, don't even put the receipt in there. I want me being nosy. But he don't have to worry about me taking it back because I really wanted that bag, so. And this is from Babe as well. Let's see what this is. These boxes don't have like the stores. I guess that's if they did the package on your porch. It looks like a regular box. This is from Virgo, and it is another big old Balenciaga box. Got me some more Balenciagas. What color? Dust bag. Oh, okay. These. Wait a minute. Did he order me the wrong size, babe? These are the wrong. I don't wear 39. Oh, wait, why would you get me a 39? Uh-oh. Somebody made a mistake. Because I'm like, these are big. Definitely not a 39. But these are cute. Guess I'll be returning these, exchanging them. Yeah, because that's the wrong size. But they're cute. Yeah, they sent me a 39. Babe, you know I'm a 36. These are 39. What am I going to do with these? They cute though. Thanks, babe. I have to pause this camera and talk to babe about this. And I'll be right back because I have one more gift. Okay, so I just told babe. He showed me the receipt. He actually ordered my size, which is not even a 36. I forgot. In Balenciaga's, I get a 37. He showed me the paper where he ordered a 37. They just sent the wrong size. So he's going to call now and see if they have these in a 37 in my size. And now I know why he was pressuring me. Well, he not pressuring me. He helped me pick out a gift that I bought for myself when we were out shopping, when we was in Maryland. And now I know why. I'll just show you my next gift. But hopefully they still have these in my sizes. I know Balenciaga sell out really fast in the summertime. So he's calling now, and it's an error on their part, so I'm not gonna be worrying about returning them or nothing like that. And this box been sitting here for a while, but he has a good relationship with Bergdorf, so so one more gift and my final gift. This is not a surprise, and this is my first Prada purchase. I never had anything from Prada, and I bought this from the Tyson Galleria in Maryland. And let's get it open. And these bags are like trending all over the place. But now that I got my multi-pochette, I don't even know, like, that multi-pochette is just everything. But I got Prada. Is it Re-Edition? I can't remember the name of it. But it's so cute. And when I was in there, they didn't have any more bags. So, boxes. They told me I could just call the SA and she'll ship it to me. But I really don't need the box. But it comes with a little dust bag. And now I know why he suggested I get the pink instead of the black. This is so cute too. And it reminds me of the multi-pochette, but it's nylon. This is so cute too. And it's like the multi-pochette with the little extra pocket, but it doesn't have, you know, the other bag. But I really like this bag too. This is cute, and it matches those Balenciagas too. It's so cute. Look, move these sprays out the way. But this is cute. So I will be so upset if they don't have my size in these Balenciagas. But look, it goes. It's cute. That's why you like, babe, no. Because they had this in pink. They had nude. And what other colors did they have in the Prada store? They had the pink, the nude, and black. They didn't have the yellow. The yellow is cute too. Oh, and they had navy blue. But he was like, babe, I think the pink is cute. You need a new pink bag. It's so girly and cute. I like this too, so that is my birthday gifts. And I'm glad you guys stopped by to, you know, watch me unbox all my gifts. And I'm gonna do some mod shots and all my stuff. And I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And y'all can still wish me happy birthday because I'm celebrating all month, period. Yes, Leo season. So, and if you like videos like this, unboxing, fashion, and luxury lifestyle vlogs, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you can be the first to notify and become an official citizen. But thanks again for all of y'all who wish me happy birthday, and for all my supporters, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, Sid signing off. Peace.